Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Leo from Little Einsteins. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start with the glasses first. So let's draw the glasses. You draw a nice big circle and then an outer circle as well. And let's do it on the other side as well. So I'm just going to draw the outer circle first. Try to make it as nice and round as you can. And then we're just going to draw the little bridge of the nose. And then on both sides I'm just going to make two lines about the same distance out, and I'm going to complete the glasses. Here we go. Next up, let's do the pupils. So inside the glasses I'm going to draw two beautiful big pupils, and I'm just going to make two light reflections. Irises, and on the other side I'll draw another iris as well. So let's color the pupils in. Now let's draw a little nose. So I'm going to draw a little nose on this side. This nose shows off to the side, and we're going to draw a smile just below the nose. A nice big smile. Now let's draw the jawline. I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a nice round and then from here I'm going to draw an ear. I'm going to make it inside of the ear, and I'm going to do the same on the other side as well, and just a little inside there as well. And now we're going to the top. I'm going to draw the hair first. So what I'll do is I'm going to draw two little bumps on both sides, and then I'm going to draw the fringe. I'm going to make it nice and round, take it all the way around, and I'm going to go up like this. And on this side just a little mark back, and I'm going to do the side of the head like this. Now on this side I'm just going to draw the little fringe standing up. There we go. And I'll just connect it like this. There we go. Now for the eyebrows, I'm going to draw two lines, and as usual we're just going to connect it there on top as well. We're going to do the same thing on this side as well. And now we can go to the body. So first up I'm going to draw the body. I'm going to make sort of a bell shape like this, and then I'm going to connect them. Nice round line at the bottom, connected, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to draw the arms. So I'm going to draw a little arm on this side, and I'm going to connect it to the shirt, and there as well, and I'm going to connect it, and then we can just make two sleeves for our shirt. And there's a stripe, a yellow stripe across his chest, so I'll just draw the stripe in here as well. Great. Now we're going to go down to the pants. But the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw two pockets. So I'm just going to draw a line like this, and you can draw another line like that. And then what you do is you make it nice and round and you connect them. And you do the same on this side as well. And then we're going to draw the top of the pocket. And I'll just make two lines both sides like this. And now I'm going to connect the shirt to the pocket, and that will be my pants. Now right here in the middle I'm going to draw an A. So then it means I'm just going to connect them, and there's my pants. Quick and easy. Now we're going to draw short little legs sticking out like this. And then we're going to draw a little sock on the leg, and now we're going to draw the feet. So what I'll do is I'm going to draw little flat feet like this, and I'm going to connect it like that. I'll do it on the same side and this side, same way, small little foot. And now I'm going to draw the little, there we go, and I'll just draw another sole there as well. And let's make some shoelaces, 1, 2, 3 shoelaces, and on this side we'll do the same, 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. And there we go, and there's Leo. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Leo will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.